It is one of the most efficient things to get more leads. It's email marketing. If I were to name one thing that I'm implementing the most frequently in my customers' businesses, if I were to name one thing that had changed things in both of my past businesses, it's email marketing. The fourth benefit of email marketing is very simple: driving more traffic to your live events. If you are hosting webinars, if you are hosting lives on various social media platforms, email marketing can help you get more people on these events. As simple as that. And if you have an existing customer base, if you ever hosted in the past and people have registered on it, then you already have like a couple of dozens, couple of hundreds of emails, and you can send a message to these emails that you're hosting a new event. And if you are simultaneously running a campaign using social media ads or any other type of campaigns and informing, distributing info to people that there is such an event going on, then you are actually increasing your email base. And if you're increasing your email base, it's easier to get more people on the next event. And they are also trusting you more because they have already seen you twice or 3 times or 4 times and so on and so forth. So it's a snowball effect that you are creating thanks to having multiple events going on. And I used to do this mistake in the past, where I was running ads every time we hosted a new webinar, but I was not collecting my email base, which was like totally stupid. And when we shifted to having these people nurtured and reached out to and taken care of, it shifted tremendously. So from average 20 or 50 people on a webinar, we were able to go to a couple of hundreds of people on one live event, which is like a total game changer. The fifth benefit is boosting your existing sales engine. So if you are for some reason ditching some of the potential customers because they are not matching certain criteria, like they do not have a budget yet, or they are not in a particular stage in their business to use your product, software, or service, then you can actually use email marketing to nurture them further and to make sure that you are building trust and you are building relationship with them by providing them with valuable and relevant content for their existing business to get them more closely to becoming your potential customer. And this might sound far-fetched to you, but trust me, some of the people are just not ready to buy just yet. And in 6 or 12 months time, they're going to start looking. And if they will start looking and for some reason you will not be the first of choice because they forgot about you, then some of your competitors can get the new customers and you won't. Which is why getting them on your email list can be a game changer, because they will be visiting your website, they'll be visiting your live events, they will be getting used to your face, your name, your business, your brand identity, and so on and so forth. Therefore, if they at some point in time in the future, in a 3, 6, 9 months, 12 months, or even 2 years, be ready to buy, there is a significant chance that you and your business will be the first choice. And the sixth benefit that you can get from email marketing is to loyalize your customers and build relationships with them. So even if they are not converting, even if they are not buying right now, they are becoming more and more attached to you by receiving regular updates, regular messages from you, and they are just happen to know you better. There is no way, if you have like a average size kind of a business or even pretty small business and you have a couple of dozens of customers, to keep up with the updates from their businesses, to update them about what is that you are doing, what kind of a project you have done recently. And sometimes these small things, small details that happen to pop up during a coffee meeting or during a lunch with someone can be sent in an email. And sometimes they can be similar triggers to these random one-on-one conversations, which can be a game changer for your business. Because these loyal customers can not only buy from you again, but they can recommend you to their networks, to their peers, to their friends, to their family, because they happen to know that you are doing something that they had no idea about, which is totally invaluable. So that's it when it comes to benefits of email marketing. Let me know if this video was anyhow interesting to you. If you have any questions or you would have some ideas for new videos, leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.